Today I'd like to show you test our ES-RF system. This is our ES-RF 4x4 soft label. Now we use it to test. And next we will use our optical test to test it. This is our best performance of ES-RF dual board. For 4x4 soft label, the detection range can reach to 1.7 to 1.9 meters, and for optical tag, the detection range can reach to 1.9 to 2 meters. For our acrylic antenna, we can customize your logo on the antenna. If you have any requirement of ES system or ES accessories, please contact me. See you next time.